this is the short end of the skylight. So checking on the GoPro now, and we'll film getting them installed.
I think that we've all had enough. Keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. I think that we've all had enough.
Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, Rhys is going to show how we build the upstands for the skylights.
I just ripped down some timber down to 4-inch. Just because it's Sunday afternoon, I got nowhere else to get timber, and it was excess anyway. So I've got enough timber now to do the sides, 3-meter length offcuts for the ends, and then go from there. So all I'm going to do is cut these 3.2 meters, because the opening is 3 meters, gives me 100mm either end for the return stud wall, and then the opening is 8.15 wide that way, and I'll just make 2 little stud walls either end 8.15 wide. I've done a bit of a calculation with all the build up on my insulation, OSB and the furring pieces, plus 150mm upstand for the skylights. It comes to 450mm from the top of the timbers. So I got to work that out now when I get up there, and then go from there.
Yep.
Okay guys, so I just cut some noggins now for the first sort of upstand, which is going to be one of the short ones. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep all the cut edges on the cut edge and all the existing face edge on the face edge. Just going to pin them together. I can see there's a knot there, so when I pin through, keep my hand away because I might shoot out. So we'll give it a go. Flip this around. Do the same again, make sure it's just all flush, nice and neat. And then we can flip them over, put our top piece on, same again, just face edge to face edge, cut edge to cut edge, and then we can just get them all lined up. Lovely. Okay. Right guys, so this is the short end of the skylight, and then I'll have a wall coming up to this back edge and the same on this side, so each end will be perfectly spaced, and then I just need to straighten up the lengths in the middle. I'm going to do the same now and just get them all knocked together. Six, 7, 3, 7, 6.
heavy?
That's why I'm putting all the noggins in there.
Do you put the noggins in when you're up there?
Well, because of where the screw holes are going to be, I'm going to screw them
Yeah.
and put the noggins in.
Makes sense.
Okay guys, so I'm on the roof. Got my upstands all ready. So check you on the GoPro now and we'll film getting them installed.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap.
Okay guys, so that is the upstand for now. So what's going to happen is we're going to have furring pieces between 25 and 125 mil from front to back. We're going to have 18 mil OSB, 120 mil insulation, 18 mil OSB. So we're going to have a substantial upstand to go all the way around. The glass light that, the glass roof light that goes on here, I've been told you put all this framing level, the glass has got all the falls on it that you need, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna replicate the same over that side when I get a chance, and hopefully soon start getting the furring pieces on, get some scaffold to get the wall over there up to wall plate height so I can put my timbers through, and yeah, just carry on and we'll get there eventually. Hi guys, so I'm just getting all the final lengths of timbers for the rafters for the right hand side over by the wall there and just up on the left by there. At least then I know what order, at least I know then what timbers to order once I run out of timber, which is looking like I need some more 7x2s and a few 5x2s, but I'd rather order more than have too many, so that's where I'm up to now. Out over here then.
this bit done.
Right guys, we ordered some more timber to finish off the roof and the skylight, so I've just ripped it all down now again. I'm going to finish off the second skylight because we've done the first one apart from all the noggins. So we'll do that, get the noggins in, and then that is the skylights complete and furring pieces are ready to go on. Hi guys, just a little tip. So I'm cutting these into noggins. I'm going to have a bit of waste in the middle, so if I just show you quickly, that's going to be my waste in the middle. But if you look at this end here, I've got a big shake. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my cut this end, just get rid of as much of the shake as possible, and then that just means it's a bit more structural and tidy when I come to screwing it all together. Mm-hmm. Right guys, so I've just done simple 4x2 framing. I haven't put the noggins in yet because I just don't have enough material at the moment, so I'm going to pick some more up to finish them off. But that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and comment what you liked about it, and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next video. Just sorting out the timbers for across there. Corner pillar now to get up to the level for the steel so I can work above the scaffolding.